پر صحیح فیصلہ کرنے کی قوت و طاقت عطا فرمائے. پاکستان پائندہ باد. اس وقت انتہائی قابل احترام شخصیات، ہر دل عزیز شخصیت، یہ جو کمپیئر کر رہے تھے نا، تو آپ کے جو ان کے پیسے دیں گے تو 10% آپ مجھے دیجیے گا اس کے، کیونکہ میں آپ کا کام کر رہا ہوں. تو میرا دل چاہا، اور میرا دل بہت کم چاہتا ہے کبھی کسی کے لیے، لیکن اس وقت جو آپ کے درمیان شخصیت ہے، نثار کھوڑو صاحب تشریف لائے ہیں اس باوقار تقریب میں. چونکہ مجھے جانا تھا تو میں اس شعر کے ساتھ اپنی گفتگو کو ختم کرتا ہوں کہ کہاں دغا دے رہی ہے قسمت، کہاں دغا دے رہی ہے قسمت، وہ آ رہے ہیں میں جا رہا ہوں. اللہ حافظ. ناصر.
From now onward, the Honorable Speaker, Sindh Assembly, Government of Pakistan, Mr. Nisar Ahmed Khodo will be the chief guest of this session. Please welcome him. He is already in the room. I think now we can officially start the proceedings which we missed. First of all, on behalf of the organizing committee of today's event, Global Media Links and Business Milestones, I welcome all of you in the Global CEO Excellence Award Ceremony 2011. I also welcome to all the honorable chairmen, CEOs, managing directors, the senior management of all the award-winning companies, all the dignitaries, guests, invitees, and print and electronic media in the Global CEO Excellence Award Ceremony 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to briefly introduce Global Media Links and Business Milestones, the organizers of today's event. Global Media Links is an innovative and prestigious event organizing enterprise having a decade of excellent business relationship with the corporate sector of Pakistan. It is pertinent to mention that the GML management has a dynamic background with varied exposure and liaison with renowned national and international organizations for event management. Global Media Links has the specialized excellence in the management of outstanding award ceremonies on different corporate subjects. Whereas Business Milestones is a monthly business publication of Global Media Links. It is another magnificent platform for the corporate world, and its features, contents explore the business ins and outs beyond the usual. We are immensely thankful to our valued sponsors, whose generous support has enabled us to materialize the Global Excellence Award Ceremony 2011. Our platinum sponsor is Landy Renzo Pakistan Private Limited. Our international strategic partners are G2MC, an international management consultants organization, G2 Training Europe and Middle East. Our gold sponsor is Change in Education. The silver sponsors are PIA, Root School System, and the Bank of Khyber. Our executive sponsors are Dr. Isa's Lab, Kazmi Engineering, National Bank of Pakistan, Dilpasand Sweets, Ashrafi Foods Industries, EFU Life. Our strategic partners are Security 2000, Michelle Private Limited, N Recruitment, Publicity Channel, NFEH, Landy Renzo Pakistan, and our supporting partners are Revolution, the marketing company, Business Solutions, Wood and More, Advertnama, eAdvert, Daily Soap, Karachi, Orator Global, Smilex Solutions, Power Gen Pakistan 2012, Energy Update, and Interdesign. We would also like to thank all the print and electronic media people, participating companies, and members of the jury of this award competition, whose collaboration and support has been vital for successful execution of the Global CEO Excellence Awards 2011. Dear audience, let me please briefly introduce the event we are organizing today. The Global Media Links and Business Milestones, in collaboration with the concerned stakeholders of business, industry, and corporate sectors, have organized the Global CEO Excellence Awards 2011 in order to recognize and honor the CEOs in Pakistan. It is pertinent to mention here that Global Media Links has already taken initiative to hold the first Global CEO Excellence Award ceremony in 2010, and today the second Global CEO Excellence Award ceremony is being conducted. With these two successive award ceremonies, Global Media Links has proved their remarkable efforts to admire the higher management and CEOs of the organizations of Pakistan. As per strategy of the event organizers, the ceremony of the second Global CEO Excellence Awards 2011 is being held without the patronage of any government ministry and department, but for award competition in the coming years, we would like to have support and sponsorship of the concerned government entities. Dear audience, let me first brief you about some interesting statistics of this award competition. Some 95 companies had expressed their interest in one way or the other to participate in this award competition. Some 49 companies formally joined the competition. 90% of the competing companies were large industries and businesses. 10% belonged to the small and medium enterprise sector, whereas 5% contenders participated individually. The credentials of 32 participating companies were adjudged as winners of the Global CEO Excellence Awards 2011. Here we have few fortunate organizations that have competed for more than one category. Taking advantage of the occasion, I would like to say a few words for our three learned jury members. First of all, Mr. Salman Javed, who is the Principal Information Officer of Consulate General of Republic of Lithuania. He possesses around 30 years human resource management and management experience at different positions. He also served as the Managing Director of Pakistan Tourism Development Corporation. Our second jury member, Dr. Kaisar Waheed, is the Chairman, National Forum for Environment and Health, and the CEO of Medishore Pharma Pakistan. He has over 25 years experience in the human resource management and entrepreneurship. Our third jury member, Mr. Zahir Beg, is the Executive Vice President and Head of Organizational Development in the National Bank of Pakistan. He is having over 25 years experience in human resource management while serving at the senior management positions in various leading organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, the format of today's award ceremony is very simple. In the first phase, awards will be distributed. After the award ceremony, we will have an interesting panel discussion, and after that, we will enjoy dinner. Now, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Nisar Ahmed Khodo Sahab, to please come and join us on stage for the award distribution ceremony. And Mr. Musaddiq, you please. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will start the distribution of awards with our special categories. These are the categories that have not been selected by the organizations themselves. In fact, these categories have been given by the respectable jury members after evaluation of the nomination documents of these particular organizations. First of all, the prestigious organization that has been given the award for the category of Young CEO is Landy Renzo, Middle East region. Unfortunately, Mr. Alberto Barberi, who is the CEO of the organization, is out of country. Yeah. Lendi Renzo Pakistan Private Limited. I would request Mr. Fabrizio to please come and receive this award on his behalf. Please welcome Mr. Fabrizio from Lendi Renzo Pakistan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is a prestigious award for a remarkable personality of Pakistan, none other than Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan Sahab, former chairman, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan Research Laboratories. Since he is not here with us, I would request Professor Mehdi Hasan Sahab. He is the class fellow of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. He is the close friend of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, and he is the intellectual himself. So please come and receive the award for Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, Fakhre Pakistan and national hero. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Mehdi Hasan has given me the privilege to recite this message on behalf of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. It says, as some of the participants may know, that I quit my official engagements over 8 years back. Since then, I generally avoid active participation in public meetings and corporate events. During all this time of virtual seclusion, I frequently received feedbacks from the concerned and knowledgeable quarters that people of Pakistan and corporate elite of the country zealously and jealously love and admire me. In fact, I was not at all aware of Global Media Links and its business milestones before the last 2 weeks, till their team members started contacting and approaching me. But the resolute and determined manner in which they declined to accept my excuse basing on my unfit health condition and insisted and persisted with their invitation persuaded me to change my decision and compelled me to nominate on my behalf a close friend of mine to accept this award. I am immensely thankful to Global Media Links and all participating audience of today's event for remembering me well and recalling my untiring services for nation building. It is pleasing to know that audience of today's program comprised of renowned and seasoned names of corporate and business sectors, and in their professional capacities have been leading highly successful and viable commercial entities and ventures of the country. The briefing given to me about today's event convinced me well about the fact that Global Media Links has been performing and fulfilling an utmost national cause and duty. And for this exemplary gesture, this event management organization deserves all the praise and all out support from all the concerned quarters of the society. In my viewpoint, in an event where either our partial achievements of Pakistan and institutions are discussed, praised and recalled, such a program should be commended and supported by all and sundry. In the end, through my old friend Dr. Mehdi Hasan, I would once again express my sincere and deepest thankfulness to organizers, participants and audience of today's event. I am also exceptionally and especially grateful to Global Media Links and its brainchild Global CEO Excellence Awards. I have the honor to get this marvelous and noble Fakhre Pakistan Pride of Pakistan Award, truly and heartening gesture of excellence for me. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, there was a special category. This was our third award, and it was for Mr. Hassan Ali Abdullah from EFU General Insurance. Mr. Hassan Ali Abdullah has been associated with EFU for over 32 years. The Board of Directors appointed him as Managing Director and CEO from July 11, 2011. The board is confident that he will uphold the core values of EFU and continue to build on the business and keep EFU General at forefront of the insurance industry in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Hassan Ali Abdullah, the Managing Director of EFU General Insurance Limited, to please receive the award in the category of Outstanding Business Performance. CEO is the man at the top of the organizational pyramid. A great CEO has some personal characteristics uncommon to other people. Successful CEOs are great leaders. They know themselves and what they stand for. The best CEO has the right personal characteristics, has broad and diverse experience, and works in a structured manner to achieve goals for his or her organization. A CEO's crucial role is actually in building a solid foundation for the business, guiding technicals and fundamentals, expanding or contracting the resource, innovation, research and development, bandwidth to suit budgets and attitude to risk, etc., etc. And operating that business with sensibility, delivering cash flow, stability, and growth. Without CEOs, you have an empire built on sand. So here I request all of you to please give a big round of applause to all the CEOs. This is a corporate category. And the first Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Global Business Relations goes to Mirza Nadir Hussain, CEO Alcom International. To please welcome Mr. Mirza Nadir Hussain. The Global Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in the High Quality Halal Meat goes to Mr. Naseeb Ahmed Saifi, CEO Anis Associates Private Limited. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Classic Growth with Classic Food Products goes to Mr. Sheikh Javed Akhtar, CEO Ashrafi Food Industries. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Leading Manufacturers of Textile Auxiliaries goes to Mr. Muhammad Shuaib Tikki, Director AVM Chemical Industries. Mr. Muhammad Shuaib Tikki. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Quality Services and Quality Products goes to Syed Wasim Ahmed, CEO CM Group of Companies. Syed Wasim Ahmed Saab. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Modernized Health Services goes to Dr. Farhan Isa Abdullah Abedin, the CEO Dr. Isa's Laboratory and Diagnostic Center. And I would request to Mr. Muhammad Fareed Ahmed Sahab. He is the Manager Customer Services at Dr. Isa's. The Global Excellence Award in the category of Excellence in Quality Services and Quality Products goes to Mr. Muhammad Ilyas Malik, the CEO High Tech Manufacturing Private Limited. Mr. Muhammad Ilyas Malik. Okay. I think he is not here, so I would request Mr. Rana Noor Muhammad Saab to please come and receive the award on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, the Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Innovative IT Services goes to CalSoft Limited. For that, I would request Mr. Kashif Shabir, the Chief Operating Officer of CalSoft Limited, to please come and receive the award. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Leading Edge LPG Engineering Services goes to Sayyid Abbas Kazmi Sahab, Chairman Kazmi Engineering. Sayyid Abbas Kazmi Sahab. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Leadership Ability in Information Technology goes to Mr. Mahmood Sharif, CIO Karachi Port Trust. Mr. Mahmood Sharif. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Brand Activation and Research goes to Dr. Shehzad Amin Sahab, CEO Macro Management Systems. Dr. Shehzad Amin. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Renewable Energy Products goes to Mr. Muhammad Sarwar, CEO MESEC Group of Companies. Mr. Muhammad Sarwar Sahab. Yeah, this company is called MESEC Group of Companies. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Media Development goes to Mr. Amir Jahangir, CEO Michel Private Limited. Mr. Amir Jahangir. Ladies and gentlemen, the Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of the Leader in Construction Business goes to Engineer Dr. Ikramul Haq Siddiqui Sahab, Chairman Muslim Constructors Private Limited. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Best Management Systems Certification goes to Mr. Zafar Chaudhry, Managing Director, Pakistan Systems Registrar. Mr. Zafar Chaudhry. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Trendsetters in Distance Education goes to Mr. Muhammad Tariq, Mr. Nadeem Khan, CEO Razik International Private Limited. I would request Mr. Hassan Mahmood, the Vice President Exports, to please come and receive the award. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Magnificent Personality with Outstanding Performance goes to Dr. Fozia Naeem Khan, Dean Faculty of Social and Media Sciences, Zabist. Please welcome Dr. Fozia Naeem Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Modern Beauty Services goes to Mrs. Farida Ilyas Khan, President, Sapna Foundation and Managing Director, Sapna Beauty Parlor. Now it is the time for the second category, and the Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in this category, named as Excellence in Setting the Standards, goes to Mirza Nadir Hussain Sahab, CEO Elcom International. Mirza Nadir Hussain Sahab. This is his second award for this ceremony. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Modernized Halal Meat Processing Facilities in Pakistan goes to Mr. Naseeb Ahmed Saifi Sahab, CEO Anis Associate Private Limited. The Global Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Most Visionary Educationist and Inspiring Leader in Social Enterprise goes to Chaudhry Faisal Mushtaq, CEO Change in Education. And I would request Mr. Abid Yunus, Manager Coordination, to please come and receive the award on behalf of Chaudhry Faisal Mushtaq Sahab. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Best People-Focused Policies goes to Mr. Bilal Mustafa, Managing Director and CEO, The Bank of Khyber. Please welcome Mr. Bilal Mustafa Sahab. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Excellence in Technology-Based Infrastructure Development goes to Mr. Mahmood Sharif Sahab, CIO Karachi Post Trust. Mr. Mahmood Sharif Sahab. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Outstanding Business Growth goes to Mr. Alberto Barberi, Managing Director, Landi Renzo Middle East Region and CEO, Landi Renzo Pakistan Private Limited. Since he is not here, I would request Mr. Nasir Ahmed Saab, who is Head of Sales in the organization, to please come and receive the award. The Global CEO Excellence Award for the year 2011 in the category of Innovation and Excellence